isn't actually the place. Oh!
Especially how this is all playing out this morning.
Oh, sorry, I've got to put that. 12 Mobile Newsroom, Marilyn Deutsch, good day, Oregon.
Well, Curtis, are you ready for some
Sport is next as a Blaney sprint car competes. There we go, across the Tasman.
There you go.
There it is.
I do look for that. Excuse me, y'all. I'm so sorry. Just wait until April. No more sneezes.
Perfect conditions for drying drying the loshing, whatever that is.
After the next couple days, Thursday a high of 79, 70s Friday, Saturday. We've got a couple nights down into the 50s early Friday and Saturday morning.
Voy a estar por allá haciendo algún evento. Ahí vas a tener frío. Y sí, me tengo que ir así como estoy afónica. Imagínate tú.
Well, good afternoon. I'm Tara Taylor. I'm Johnny Wood. Tara Taylor has another day off, and I've been up way too long this morning.
A full look at your forecast is up ahead.
Davis, or Mary, rather. Thank you.
Davis!
I'm sorry, Mary.
Come on.
Also
I know
tonight.
we look alike, but...
Temperature's going to be in the... Oh, no. All right, we'll keep going. 39. I should probably step off the camera.
But I told you we were going to have some fun, didn't I? Check this out. Yeah, you want to have fun? You call me.
Morgan's version of fun.
Look at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Here we go.
We've got upper 20s.
Sun's starting to come up. Sunrise not until after 7. Well, it's after 7 right now, so that sun is up right now. I'm already into the day. I'm already into the daylight saving mode. I'm already getting my extra hour of sleep here.
And Ryan's here with the check of the forecast. Good morning.
I am. Oh, I didn't realize I was. I thought we were... Sorry. Okay, we'll talk about the 7-day there. Okay, 7-day forecast. We're starting off the day in the low 50s throughout the area.
Next, we're going to take you...
We're going to go to Steve's for the weather.
Oh, sorry about that.
Because we got a storm coming in.
Hey, can't forget me over here, okay? Come on, it's over here raining. See, I'm thinking, hey, maybe we don't do weather night. I don't know.
Cold enough for snow, and that will happen by the time we get into the weekend. We're looking for... There you go. Every time I say snow, Megan should just sing. Could you guys hear that at home as well? All right, so cold enough for snow.
A Stanford wide receiver making a jaw-dropping catch that you're about to see. And we're not going to show it to you, actually, right now. How's that for a tease, huh?
And if you haven't done your shopping by the big day just yet, Walmart says that you can feed up to 10 people Thursday for less than $35.
No.
Really?
I'm skeptical, but I'll read what it says. So our producers... I read it and I confirm too.
Do you like a pretty girly smell?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the pomegranate.
After I pet a camel, yeah, I want to smell a little girly.
But you know what? Their saliva is good for you. That's what I say.
Really?
So, yeah. So
does it help keep you young?
Yes, it does.
All right.
I'm 85.
Lick me, baby.
Okay, that was so inappropriate for morning TV. But that's okay. You're new.
One turkey that is not going to be given away. Well, that is not going to be Paul. Paul's going to be right here.
That's me.
But the governor is going to pardon a turkey at the executive mansion, and that's going to be this afternoon in Raleigh. And let's go to Paul now for a check on our forecast.
You did that on purpose.
Is the turkey going to get wet? Is it raining?
You definitely did that on purpose.
Ah, you're waking up to a blast of Brandon in the Ozarks.
All right,
that
then.
was interesting.
Wonder if that was Lisa, if you did that on purpose.
Thank you, Lisa. That was great.
I'll just go ahead and do the weather. It's cold out there this morning, and the wind chill. That's what I get for dancing off camera, and then it becomes on camera.
A recent study shows that women who sleep with their dogs actually get a better night's rest.
What about dudes? Since women. How about me?
I was like, with dudes, I'm like, maybe that too.
No, I meant like dudes with their dogs.
I was like, where's this going south at 6:17?
No. I meant guys with their dogs in the bed.
Well, good. Well, researchers on women who share their beds with their dogs.
Oh, here we are. ABC 7 is keeping a close eye on the top headlines from around the world this morning.
How close of an eye are you keeping?
You know, it's 6:42 in the morning. The coffee's gone.
We've been here since...
Since 2:30 this morning.
Okay, anchor Emily Burris is going to rescue us. She's in the studio. She has been keeping a very close eye on things.
Yeah, that'll
Emily?
be the discrepancy.
Oh, Greg, I'm so glad I don't have a really hard story to talk about here. All right.
Well, crawling along in Los Angeles right now. In every corner of the nation and here at home, you can see through Sky 13 The travelers spent the day on the move.
Everything's moving.
Yes.
We are less than an hour away from the kickoff to a very busy holiday weekend. Let's begin tonight with Will Stafford. He's tracking the latest weather conditions as you make your plans for Thanksgiving. Will,
tell you what, that camera, that camera's getting ready to get on the highway too, Mark.
Tonight, folks at the Windsor Court Hotel are getting festive. More than 25,000 mini white lights twinkling on their nearly 20-foot tall tree. That's where our very own Kenny Lopez is in the middle of the festivities. Hey, Kenny. Well, apparently we've lost Kenny, or not able to get him, but we do see that the lights are on.
Picture of Kenny
it's a
smiling.
perfect smile of him, and the lights are on.
And that's at the Windsor Court there. I know Robin Barnes is out there tonight singing and.
Live this morning inside the theater.
Even cooler than inside the theater, we are actually backstage right now, where all of the magic for the show happens. I'm joined by two of the cast members from Finding Nemo and sending last night. This is actually both of these gals' first national tour. They're right out of college. This is so exciting for you. None of it this morning. Tell me about like how everything come into.
Darn it! They were so deep in there, it messed up our signal maybe.
I promised drive times, and it's not letting me do it. This darn thing. I broke it.
Good job, Shane.
I broke it more.
You break it, you bought it. That's all I'm saying.
This is not fine, but I'm okay.
Step away from the board, Shane.
Here's the funny part is you folks at home don't know this. Our corporate engineers are in town this week.
Oh,
so they're about to run in here and fire me. I think I'm not going to be here after. Maybe on Thanksgiving you won't see me anymore. Anyway.
Stop it.
I'll have your drive times coming up, I promise.
Like he said, you break it, you bought it.
Fighting Irish. I know it's going to be a chilly night out there for those who are headed out to some football games. Tucker Sargent and Cecilia Reeves, they are live at the Shamrock Bowl, and they are getting set up there and staying warm. They have a preview of that game and others from around Middle Georgia tonight. Hey, guys.
How many guys? They're trying to roll.
We're live. Hey, Tucker.
Hey, welcome back to Dublin. We had a little technical error there. Our camera spun around on us, but we're following along and staying. Come on over here, Cecilia.
I'll come on over. I'll come
now
in the shot.
Now we're in there. That's what happens when you don't have a cameraman. Sometimes things happen. Anyway, we're at the Shamrock Bowl in Dublin.
We are, and it's beautiful here.
Beautiful.
You guys.
Yeah, we're both dressed for warm to be warm later.
To be Antarctica.
Yes, and it might feel like that later on. We're still walking with our camera here. I need to lock that down next time.
I'm at a loss for words this morning.
Whoa there! Whoa there!
Corey, I am at a loss for words.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Boy.
You big turkey.
Oh, not me. Come on. Hey, we got to have a little bit of fun on Thanksgiving, right? The bosses aren't here. Hey, guys, good morning on Thanksgiving Day. Can you tell the bosses aren't here? Do you like the cold weather, buddy?
Oh, God.
No. Do you want it to warm up? All right, well, it will as we head towards the
Corey, I'm a little disturbed by what's going on right now.
Lots of people are, Wisdom. That's why we're Fox 5 Morning News. All right, let's do it. Take a look at your forecast outside today. The turkey trot. See?
Can't unsee it.
No, you cannot unsee it.
Mike, I love it. I'm all in.
What do you think about us eating your friends later today?
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
Season of Hope, let's do it. This is for the Season of Hope, everybody. Come on. Season of Hope, we're running down, and we're going to turn around, we're going to come back.
My.
Yeah.
All of them.
Oh, every kid.
Wow.
Every kid in the Central. Don't you say the Season of Hope does not have power. It has power.
You know,
and everybody's in the spirit of giving, and
every person's going to be so angry at you because all their kids are going to be wanting to get on the bed tonight and jumping around.
Now, Jen Eidler is not giving all kids permission to do this.
Are you saying do it again?
Just the big kid in the Santa hat. I did not see that coming.
Oh, yeah.
I did not. I thought, okay, one jump
one
on one
bed,
bed.
up and down.
Are you kidding me? You sent me to Eidler's and you said don't jump on the beds. When they said it was a sleep center, I'm like, yeah, I'll do that one.
Oh my God.
Back to you guys.
Lucky dog.
There's just not a lot to say to that, other than that's just Dave.
Who are those guys?
I had forgotten their names. I'm going to mention it at the end of the show.
Okay.
Someone took my Post-it note that was on the desk here. Was it you?
Wait.
It's
It
hot
was in the trash here somewhere. Let's see.
didn't know what that was. I'm so sorry.
You
Go
know, I
ahead.
drove by there
Come
the
on
other
back.
day. It was
We'll-
great to see all these coming
We'll
out there.
wait. Do you want to see what's
I don't know where they. Don't make me dig down there.
Well, yeah, it's.
Well, let's see. Did you really? Did you put it down
Show
here
people
just a
behind
little
what
bit
goes on behind the
I don't
scenes.
see it here.
There's a whole big
Maybe
bucket
we'll have
sea
it
of
for you by the
things.
time weather's finished.
I feel so bad.
Yeah, and you should, because those guys are waiting to hear their names on television. I came up here before the show. There's a little spot right here, so I'm going to draw this out. And
Yeah,
make
but
it
it's got
look
it
really
on
bad.
your side?
There's a little Post-it note right here with the names, so that I wouldn't forget. But no.
Oh, don't leave some laid around here on my desk. There.
I will- We'll remember that.
What are you doing, Cleto?
What is this? We're doing rope challenge? Or what
Rope
is it?
bridge.
Rope bridge. Go ahead.
Whenever he has enough slack
Is he
that
going
I
up the
know of.
tree
You know,
into the
okay,
air?
that's
He
great.
hasn't told me the
That's
weight
great.
requirement, so.
When does Cleto break a sweat?
Wow, look at that. I'm coming up right now.
Because they're doing all the work, man. I'll be honest with you. They're telling us to wrap, Cleto. I got to see you on the rope.
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
just
go ahead.
making that final note.
Oh, look at this guy.
Okay, we
So let me
know
go ahead.
they can do it.
All right, yeah, you can.
Cleto. Okay.
So you're going to hold
Come
on like that,
Oh,
and you're going to
oh,
try and
jump.
kick your legs up if you can.
Kick
If you need
higher.
help, I can.
Kick
Okay,
higher.
There might be a weight
requirement. Oh, geez.
Oh. All right.
He's nearly touching
Can
the
you clip
floor.
me a little bit
Yeah,
there?
I can help you out.
Pull that.
All right, you're good. So now you're
pull
just
the
going to
rope
pull.
tighter.
Is he supposed to be
Keep going
moving?
across.
He's getting
doing
there.
good.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Oh, this is not a good shot. Not a good shot. Not a good shot.
Wrap your legs around
Not a
the
good
rope.
angle.
Keep going. And then once you get to
Not
the
a
line,
great
he's
angle.
going
There
to
you
pull
go.
you and help you
Wow.
across. If you need help now, I can help you out.
Where's Cleto?
All right, guys.
Good morning, San Antonio.
Oh, you're
Oh, no.
At
Much
least
more.
He's trying. He's trying.
Trying.